y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Debbie. Today is such an exciting day. It is one that all of us that love Josephine Wall have been waiting for, and that of course is our J-Wall DP 2023 event. We as the host are so excited. I'm speaking with Kim as well as Angie, and we have everything ironed out. We are so excited to have this time with you guys. If you are not already part of the Facebook group, we would love to have you. The information is under the description. You do not have to be a Facebook member, but a lot of information is going to be posted there. We are going to have a start photo requirement. You do not have to have a new start, but you need to complete a 30 by 40 section in the next 2 months. And really 30 by 40 is not as large as it may sound, especially with all the Josephine walls, as we all know, are rather large. So just make sure that you do post that. We are going to have that on the Facebook group. If you do not have Facebook, please feel free to send an email out to one of us and we will be glad to post that starting photo for you. You're not required to post throughout the time that we're together in our event, but we would love to see everyone's progress. So feel free to post as much as you would like in Facebook, also on Instagram. We all three are on Instagram. If you're not following us there, please do so. And also, we will have giveaways throughout the actual event. We're actually doing giveaways every week. Some days or some weeks, we will have 3 of us will be giving out giveaways. And then we are going to have 3 final grand prizes. With the grand prize, you are going to need to post an ending, a photo of what you have completed. And again, it does not have to be completed. I highly doubt that I will get mine completed, so I don't expect anybody else to, but we're all in this together. We're all going to rally for each other, help each other. If you have any questions or tips, maybe you found something that is working really well for you as you start to go through this. And so put that down in Facebook. Also feel free to put it underneath my comments underneath any of the videos. I will have my normal weekly whip and chat, and that will be on Tuesdays. And then I'll also have maybe a mini whip and chat during the week. It depends on what's going on, if I even have anything that's worth a whip and chat. But I will be working on my Josephine Wall, Fly Me to the Moon, for the entire whip and chats. So even though it may not be my week for a giveaway, I will still have my Josephine Wall. I'll have all the information out. I will also be using the same materials, the same supplies that I'm going to be using for the entire time. I do want to take a couple of minutes and shout out to our amazing sponsors. Yay, thank you so much. We have such wonderful, wonderful sponsors, and I think you're going to be really excited with all of our giveaways. We could not have this event without our amazing sponsors, and of course you guys as well. So we want to have a shout out to everybody and to our sponsors. The sponsors are DpGalCreations, CraftedMakes, Captured by Radiance, Diamond Painting Shop, Dainty Diamond Painting, that's also Diamond Painting Fanatics, Coverminders by Siobhan. Siobhan is currently on a break, but we still are going to be giving away for her shop. Also, the one with the diamond art and diamond painting with sparklers. We want to again thank our sponsors so very, very much. You are truly, truly appreciated. And again, thanks to all of you that are going to be going through this event, working on your canvases. And I just cannot wait to see our love for Josephine Wall. And I'm hoping that she will see all of our amazing posts we have on Instagram, and also in our channels, and that she might want to pop in and she may, say something to us. But, I don't know. That's not expected. It would be really nice, but it's not expected at all. What I'm showing you is all that I've gotten done, and it's quite a bit for me. And surprisingly, this one has some color blocking. When I worked on Diana, there was not any color blocking whatsoever. I was not able to use a multi-placer from start to finish, but on this one, all of this was the same color. So I have been loving it. I'm sure once I get past this part, which is the sky, when I get below, sort of starting down here, then more than likely it's going to be back to confetti, and I am fine with that. But it's nice to get a really good running start, which I am really hoping to do. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, please reach out to one of us. We are here. The most important thing I want everyone to know and to remember is to have fun. That's what we are here for. We want to have fun. We want you guys to have fun. We want to do this again next year. So depending on how well it goes this year, if everyone is really interested in next year, then we'll consider doing it again. But we really want everyone just to have fun, to relax. This is not meant to be a stressful event whatsoever. We all have enough stress in our life. We do not need stress of trying to overcompensate by completing a diamond painting, or by thinking that we have to, everything has to be just perfect, because it certainly does not. Thanks so much, and I will see you soon on the next video, or see you in the Facebook group. Have a great day and happy diamond painting. Bye.